Now let's just move on with the question number 2, which says that the slant height of the frustum of the cone is given to us as 4 centimeter. The perimeters of its circular ends are given to us as 18 centimeters, 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. So we just have to find out the CSA of the frustum. So let's just start the solution. First of all, we have to find out the CSA of the frustum. So I'm just writing out the formula first. We know that the CSA, that is the curved surface area of the frustum, is actually nothing but is equal to pi of R1 plus of R2 into L. This is nothing but the CSA of the frustum. Now according to the question, it is given to us that the slant height is nothing but L, which is equal to 4 centimeter. It is already given to us, and further it says the perimeters of the circumference of the two circular ends are actually given to us. So we know that the perimeter of the circular ends are definitely is nothing but is equal to the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. So using that concept, let us suppose if I'm just talking about the perimeter of the top circular end. So let us suppose if I'm just taking the top as nothing but capital of R1, and I'm just taking the other one as nothing but R2. So let us suppose if I'm just taking it in this particular formation, I'm taking it. Okay, so this is nothing but I'm taking this as the R1 and this as nothing but the R2. So the perimeter of the top circular end should be nothing but is equal to the circumference of the circle, and we know that it is nothing but given to us as 18 centimeter. This circumference is given to us as nothing but 18 centimeter, and this is actually given to us as nothing but 6 centimeter. This is nothing but 6 centimeter. Now let's just find out the radius we have. So let us suppose this is nothing but is equal to, this should be 2 pi r1, which is nothing but is equal to 18. So at the end we are getting the value of pi r1 as nothing but is equal to 9. So this is the first value that I am getting. Let us suppose if I am just calling it as 1, and in the same way let's just find out the perimeter of the second circular end. The perimeter of the second circular end was actually given to us as 6 centimeter. So this should be is equal to 2 pi r2 is equal to 6, which implies pi r2 is nothing but is equal to 3. So let us suppose if I'm just calling it as 2. Now let's just plug in this 1 and 2 into the CSA. So it implies that the CSA of the frustum is equal to, let us suppose if I'm just multiplying pi r1 pi r2 together and multiplying it with L, so this would be nothing but 9 plus 3 into L. L is 4, so we have this as 12 into 4, which is nothing but is equal to 48 centimeters. We have 48 centimeters. So this is nothing but the answer, means the curved surface area of the frustum is definitely nothing but is equal to, given to us as 48 centimeters square. We have the curved surface area of the frustum as nothing but is equal to 12 into 4, which is nothing but 48 centimeters square, because we are just talking about the area. So area always comes with the unit being the square. So this is 48 centimeters square, and this is nothing but the answer for this question.